So Rob and I are just discussing the new Dimense DA640, and now we're going to see it print. Well, it's already printing. It's already underway. Yeah. Silently efficient.
That's the good thing about it. It's in essence, the printer is like most other wide format printers. It's not got turbines and jets and things, or no significantly special requirements for it. But the way that the whole solution works is you have a coated PVC-free material, or range of them that we do, and then the special inks. So this section in front of you is the dry unit, which heats up, and it's the heat that makes the material expand.
Right.
So the two parts of the ink system are the colour part, CMYK, and then you have your structural inks as well. So the structural ink stops the expansion of the material.
Right.
I always describe it as like puff pastry. So if you put your puff pastry in the oven and you turn it on, the puff pastry puffs up. Put things on top, it doesn't puff up in those kind of areas.
Right.
And that's what's kind of going on here.
Okay.
So if you can just see with a machine printing, you can see the colour parts and the solid fills, and then you can see the patterns in the background.
Absolutely.
That's where the structural ink is. Once that passes through the heater, anywhere that structural ink has been printed will stay flat, and the areas around it will raise and texturize up to the 2 millimeters that some of the materials can do.
Wow, that's very tactile. Very noticeable. I love it when such clever things are made so simple. Well,
I'm assuming you're talking about me here, but yeah, ultimately that's what we have to do. It's great if you have technology, but the whole making it repeatable, making it usable, making it accessible is an important part of it. We've spent a lot of time with things like VersaWorks actually doing that.
Yeah.
The great thing is the software is the same for our other wide
across all your
printers.
range of printers.
So if you've got one of our EcoSolvent machines or one of our UV machines, about half an hour after this is put down, you will be able to understand how to use this.
Up and running, super. And from a sustainability point of view, is this all recyclable?
Yeah, well, as I say, the materials are PVC free, so they can be recycled. The inks are water-based as well, so it does give you, a solution that, for example, a lot of high street retail brands that are very conscious of sustainability, it's a solution that is absolutely going to be fit for their purposes. So we're seeing this, we're seeing interest from a number of different places. Obviously, the wall coverings is one part of it, but point of sale, for exhibitions, for in-store retail, there's a lot of different areas that it is being used. And that sort of sustainability part is a big tick in the box.
Perfect. Brand owners can make good use of it in their designs, and plenty of applications.
Would love it, yeah.
Yeah, super. Well, it's running away. I mean, it's printing fairly quickly and very silently.
So it's printing at about 8 square meters an hour.
Okay.
That's the sort of standard mode. It can go a little bit faster. We can change the quality and go a little bit slower. Okay. The standard production mode is about 8 square meters an hour, which on the face of it, it's not kind of lightning speed, but if you imagine a typical wall installation, say 5 meters by 3 meters, we're talking about 15 square meters worth of print, 2 or 3 hours, and you're done.
Yeah.
So it's definitely able to sort of produce the volume that most customers will be looking for.
Excellent. The DA640 is an impressive piece of kit.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.